If you're not getting any power inside your 2010 Honda Odyssey, you need to check this multi-block fuse. Right here, it's totally fried, as you can see up close right there. Now I pulled it apart just for educational purposes. There's that inspection window where you can actually see where it's damaged. I actually damaged the whole thing yanking it out with the pliers. Brand new part number, pause the video to see that. Old part, new part. Let's put that bad boy in. It's inside the engine bay on the passenger side. Look for that fuse box. Put them in. Make sure to put back those 2 screws. Tighten it down properly. Remember to add some dielectric grease to the copper end. Since this battery is dead, I'm going to give it a jump and start her up. Whoops, make sure the terminals are connected properly. Give it a start, and she starts, and she purrs. Mission accomplished.